There's a point in every land business where the systems stop working and the operator doesn't notice until they're already losing deals. My name is Brandon Parker, founder of Land AI. I've made over 10 million cold calls, and the teams working with us closed over 20 million in land transactions last year. After watching hundreds of operators scale, stall, or implode, I've learned this. In-house systems don't give you more control, they give you more responsibility. And responsibility is what kills your attention, your bandwidth, and eventually deal flow. Dan Martell said it best, it's who, not how. Here's what I mean. When operators say they want to build everything in-house, they're talking about hiring callers, training callers, hiring an agency, building follow-up, managing nurture, creating routing logic, organizing their CRM, running QA, fixing drift, fixing zaps, fixing automations, building SOPs, and maintaining the entire stack forever. It feels like control, but it turns you into a full-time mechanic of your own pipeline. You don't own the system owns you. And the worst part, internal systems don't fail loudly, they fail quietly. A tag gets misapplied, a follow-up text stops firing, a caller forgets to log something, a webhook times out, a VA touches the wrong field. None of these scream. They just slowly erode your pipeline until deals slow down and stop showing up. Land AI doesn't break silently. Every call is QA'd, every route's checked, every transcript reviewed, every automation has redundancy, every failure triggers an alert. You're not losing control. You finally see everything. Here's something people don't consider. Internal systems freeze the day you build them. They only improve when you improve them. And when you're running a real business, you don't have time to re-engineer your workflows every week. Meanwhile, Land AI is improving constantly because it's learning from thousands of real seller conversations, new objections, pricing patterns, motivation signals, timeline behavior, QA corrections, routing improvement. All that compounds weekly. Your internal system stays static. Ours compounds. That's the real gap. Operators say, if I build it myself, I can fix things faster. And sure, you can, but that just means you're fixing everything forever. You become QA, you become support, you become engineering, you become the bottleneck in your own business. If you delegate the fixes, now you're managing a CRM person, a cold calling manager, a cold calling agency, a data person, VAs. That's not independence. That's an org chart you never wanted. And here's the emotional part nobody admits. Building everything in-house feels like sovereignty, like ownership, and like independence. But owning the entire machine also means you own every failure, every drift, every broken workflow, every missed follow-up, every lost note, and every integration issue. It's not sovereignty, it's a lot of maintenance. Real sovereignty is calling real sellers, having a clean pipeline, zero follow-up anxiety, predictable conversations, a system that runs without you, mental bandwidth back, focus back, time back. Land AI gives you that. Internal systems end up taking that away. So yes, you can build everything in-house. That's not the question. The real question is, do you want to own every problem that comes with it? Or do you want to own the land deals? You're the deal maker. Land AI handles everything that isn't the deal. I built this for entrepreneurs because I know exactly what it's like to be an entrepreneur. And I know exactly what it's like to be able to put yourself into a position where you're doing the part of the job that you're best at.